Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Okay, so today's video I am unboxing Lush, and this is for the month of November. I'm really excited. I haven't peeked. I don't know what's inside. So if you want to find out what's inside with me, keep on watching. So just before I jump in and show you inside the box, I just wanted to show you some of my jewellery that I am wearing today. I am in love with this jewellery. So I am wearing some earrings and I have got a double stacked necklace. And this is actually from a company called Ana Luisa. So they reached out to me a few months ago and they asked if I would be interested in seeing some of their products and talking about it on my channel. So I am proudly wearing some of their jewellery today. So these earrings here are called Nikki, and they are a door knocker style effect. Now these ones are £59. And this set that I'm wearing here is actually a double necklace. So they come apart. You can wear them separately, but they are designed as like a stackable necklace, which I loved. So this is called the Cardi and it is £115. So this is how the packaging comes. Brilliant, because it's recyclable and it actually says smaller packages, less waste, more love. So it comes in this velvety soft pouch, and open it up and they're in there like that. So this is actually another piece that I chose. It's called the Lev and it is a puffed heart necklace. This one retails for £54. And if I can show you the back, it comes like this. So it says hope, love and create. And then you have like it's a little tiny envelope and you open that up and the rest of the necklace is sitting inside. So none of it is going to get damaged on the way to you. So the prices start from as low as $39, which is crazy for the quality that you're getting. $39. It blew me away. But the reason that they're able to do that is because there's no middleman. So it goes from them to you. They've cut out that middleman, which is saving you money. I think that is amazing. And that is exactly why you're getting such quality for such low prices. So one of the main reasons that I wanted to work with Ana Luisa's brand is because they are actually 100% carbon neutral, which means that they are offsetting 100% of their carbon emissions. So the way they word it is it's like a fair trade with Mother Nature, which I think is amazing. So Ana Luisa have actually given us a link to their exclusive Black Friday sales. So I'm going to leave that link in the description box below. Click on that. It's going to take you over and show you all their offers. I know you're going to love them. So I honestly cannot speak highly enough of the brand, and I'm so pleased that they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to work with them, because honestly I feel very privileged to have been asked. So please do go over and show them some love, and I guarantee you're going to love them too. Okay, time to open the box. So this is what it looks like inside. It says it's very exciting. Oh, cannot wait. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we've got something that's a little bit soft. What's this? Oh, look, it's like a little horn. Check out my unicorn horn. Right, what is this? It's very blue and coming off on my hands and smelling absolutely amazing. So this is the Outback Mate. What? Okay, I have to look at the spoilers. I don't like doing this, but I have to, because otherwise I'm never going to know what they are. So this is called Outback Mates, and it is a bubble bar. Now, I love a bubble bar. So you just have to run it under the tap for a few seconds. Lots of bubbles come out. Then it goes hard again and you can use it for your next bath. So they last a long time. So there is peppermint oil in here. There is eucalyptus oil and there is lemongrass oil. And believe me when I tell you, that smells amazing. Look at my hands. Looks like I've been playing with a Smurf. Not like that. Get your mind out the gutter. Freaking pervert. Something must have leaked because they're all stuck onto this. Look, and this is how they go. Because they are biodegradable. Once they get wet, they melt. So this is how they go, which is good, but it does tell me that something in here may have leaked. Okay, so this is called Glog, and it is a shower gel, like a delicious warming glass of mulled wine. This festive cocktail is packed with red wine, brandy, orange juice, and Christmas spirit. Oh, I love Christmas so much. So that really makes me happy. So let's smell it. Yeah. No, they're right. That is Christmas in a bottle. Wow, I can actually smell the brandy. Like, I can really smell it. What I love about Lush is that you smell things and then you'll get like hints of notes. Like, they'll just all come through to you. Nothing is like, when they put things in here, they put them in here. You are there to smell them. Do you know what this reminds me of? Brandy and Coke. So my dad, when I was younger, he used to drink brandy and Coke. And obviously having brandy in here, that is transporting me back to those times when I was a child, and I used to remember him drinking that, and just such joyful memories. And it's strange how a scent can literally transport you to a completely different time, a completely different place, and you literally remember everything so vividly. And that is beautiful, because I unfortunately did lose my dad when I was 17. So things that remind me of him are always welcome. Right, so we have another shower jelly, and I love these. So if you saw my October Halloween box, I got in there a green jelly, which was in the shape of a sugar skull. Now, I've completely used it all up. I loved it that much that I used it every single day, and it's unfortunately all gone. So the fact that we've got another one in this month's box is amazing. So it's called the Jilted Elf. Can't wait to see what this looks like. Wow. Okay, it's green, but it has gold sparkle inside it. What does it smell like? What? Is that apples? Shut up, that smells amazing. I'm going to need to look at this one. There's vodka in here. I love it. It says that there is cinnamon leaf and grapefruit oil. Fig infusion. I bet that's what I'm smelling. Wow. That's what I'm smelling. And you know what? It smells bloody amazing. So it says how to use. I love it because they tell you how to use it. How to use: wobble and lather or chill if you would rather. For an extra invigorating blast, use straight from the fridge or the freezer. What? Oh my God, I'm going to put that in the freezer. Oh, I'm going to put that in the freezer and see how it feels. I bet that's going to be really good. So a hot shower, but this cold from the freezer. I'm definitely going to do that. Right, should I tip it out and see if it's in a shape? Because the last one was in a shape. Okay, it's not in the shape. I don't know what, I was kind of hoping it was going to be in the shape of an elf. Although I don't really know how they would do that. But look. That just makes me so happy. Wibble wobble, wibble wobble. Right, so we normally get 5 items, so I should have 2 more. Yep, something definitely leaked in here. So this is called Happy Blooming, and it is a body lotion. I don't know why I sniff them before I read about them, because every time I sniff them I think, oh, is that coconut? And it will turn out to be something like orange. I'm always wrong with it. I know I recognise the scent. Marzipan. Okay, now that could be right. It could be marzipan, because that's quite a popular thing around Christmas, isn't it? They have that on Christmas cakes. So it could be marzipan. So I think I might be right on that one. So this one says it includes almond oil. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Finally, I've got one right. So yes, there's almond oil in there, cocoa butter, and yeah, lots of other stuff. Buttery soft. Oh, I love that smell. I love marzipan, always have done. As a kid, I remember loving it so much that my mum bought me just like a stick of marzipan from the shop one day because I loved eating it so much. And I also remember going to Harrods, which, if you don't know, Harrods is a very, very luxurious high-end store in London. And I I went there for my birthday. We had afternoon tea, and one of the things that I did was they've actually got a food hall downstairs, and they had like items made out of marzipan, all different ones, like fruits and stuff. And I remember it's so random, but the one I picked was a corn on the cob. It looked like a corn on the cob, but I loved it so much, and because it was from Harrods, I didn't want to eat it, so I put it in the fridge, and it stayed there for like, I don't want to say how long. It was a long time. Okay, it was a long time. It was in there so long that you couldn't eat it, and I eventually ended up throwing it away, and I should have just tried it. So this should be the last item. So this is a bath bomb, and it does unfortunately look like something did leak on it because it's sort of soft and starting to crumble, which is really disappointing. Sometimes these things happen. But it is called a winter bath, and it should have citrus acid and like cocoa butter and things like that in it. So after I've filmed in here, I'll probably go and have a nice relaxing bath anyway. So I'm going to try it and just see how it turns out and see if I can get them notes out of it once it starts to melt down properly. So guys, that was everything in November's box, and I'm really, really pleased with it. I know some of the items have come slightly damaged, but you know what? It's nobody's fault. It's just a bit of bad luck. But regardless, I'm still very pleased with everything that's inside here. So thank you so, so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. If you haven't already done so, please do hit the subscribe button down below, turn the notification bell on, and that way you'll be notified next time I upload a video. So thank you so, so much, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah. So guys, don't forget that I have put the exclusive link to the Black Friday sale to Ana Luisa's jewellery in the description box below. Just click on that link and it's going to take you to the sale. Best wishes, take care. Our moments miles above, I just need one.